Welcome to this comprehensive guide on easy exercises to lose belly fat at home, specifically designed for women who want to slim down fast. If you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat and are looking for an effective way to tone your midsection, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll guide you through a series of exercises that target belly fat, help you build a stronger core, and improve your overall fitness, all from the comfort of your own home. No gym required, no fancy equipment needed, just a commitment to your health and a willingness to put in the effort. Losing belly fat can be challenging, especially with the busy lives many of us lead. But with the right approach, it's absolutely possible to achieve your goals. This workout is tailored for women of all fitness levels, and it's designed to be both effective and accessible. So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your journey, these exercises will help you see results quickly. Stick with me through this video, and together, we'll tackle that belly fat head-on. In this video, we'll begin with a brief overview of why belly fat is so stubborn and why it's important to target it specifically. Then, we'll dive into the workout routine, which includes a mix of cardio, strength training, and core exercises designed to torch fat and tone your abdominal muscles. Each exercise will be explained in detail, with modifications for different fitness levels, so you can follow along no matter where you're starting from. After we go through the workout, I'll share some motivational tips to keep you on track, a personal story about my own fitness journey, and some essential tips on how to maximize your results. Finally, we'll answer some frequently asked questions about losing belly fat, including how long it takes to see results, what dietary changes can help, and whether it's possible to target fat loss in specific areas. Before we jump into the exercises, let's take a moment to understand why belly fat can be so difficult to lose. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is the fat that accumulates around your abdomen and internal organs. Unlike subcutaneous fat, which is found just under the skin, visceral fat is more deeply embedded and can be more challenging to shed. It's also more dangerous, as high levels of visceral fat are linked to increased risks of heart disease, diabetes, and other serious health issues. But don't worry, while belly fat can be stubborn, it's not impossible to lose. The key is to combine regular exercise with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle choices. By engaging in activities that increase your heart rate, build muscle, and burn calories, you can start to see changes in your waistline. And with consistent effort, those changes can lead to a slimmer, healthier you. Let's begin with a 5-minute warm-up to get your blood flowing and prepare your body for the workout. Warming up is crucial to avoid injury and ensure that your muscles are ready to work hard. Marching in place. Start by marching in place, lifting your knees high and swinging your arms. This will get your heart rate up and start to warm up your leg muscles. Arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides and begin making small circles. Gradually make the circles larger, then reverse the direction. This helps loosen up your shoulders and arms. Side bend. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Reach one arm over your head and lean to the opposite side, stretching your side muscles. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Hip circles. Place your hands on your hips and make large circles with your hips, first in one direction, then the other. This will help loosen up your lower back and hips, areas that will be engaged during the workout. Light jogging. Finish the warm-up with a light jog in place or around the room. Keep it gentle and focus on getting your whole body ready for the more intense exercises to come. Now that you're warmed up, let's get into the main workout. This routine is designed to target belly fat by combining cardio, core strengthening, and fat-burning exercises. We'll do each exercise for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. We'll go through the circuit twice. If you're feeling strong, you can do a third round for an extra challenge. High knees are a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and start burning calories. Stand tall and jog in place, bringing your knees up as high as possible with each step. Engage your core and use your arms to help drive your knees up. Consistency is key. As I mentioned earlier, consistency is what will bring you results. Aim to do this workout or another form of cardio at least 3 to 4 times a week. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your endurance, strength, and overall fitness. Listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't push through the pain. It's important to listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Rest days are just as important as workout days for your overall health and fitness. Set realistic goals. It's easy to get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Remember that weight loss is a gradual process, and it's important to set realistic, achievable goals. Celebrate the small victories along the way, whether it's losing a pound, gaining more energy, or just feeling better in your clothes. Now, let's address some common questions you might have about cardio and weight loss. Can I lose weight with just 15 minutes of cardio a day? Absolutely. While longer workouts can burn more calories, the key to weight loss is consistency and creating a calorie deficit. A 15-minute workout like this one can be very effective, especially when combined with a healthy diet and regular physical activity throughout the day. Q. Should I do this workout every day? It's not necessary to do the same workout every day. It's important to give your body time to recover, especially if you're new to exercise. I recommend doing this workout 3 to 4 times a week and mixing in other forms of exercise, like strength training or yoga, on the other days. Q. How soon will I see results? This varies from person to person, but you can start to see improvements in your endurance and energy levels within a couple of weeks. Weight loss and muscle tone may take a bit longer, depending on factors like your diet, metabolism, and how often you're working out. Q. What should I eat before and after the workout? Before your workout, it's a good idea to have a light snack that includes some carbohydrates and protein, like a banana with peanut butter or a small yogurt. After the workout, refuel with a balanced meal that includes protein to help repair your muscles and replenish your energy. Q. Can I modify the exercises if I'm a beginner? Definitely. If you're just starting out, you can modify the exercises to make them easier. For example, you can do step jacks instead of jumping jacks, or do push-ups on your knees instead of full burpees. The important thing is to keep moving and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. Thank you so much for joining me in this cardio workout at home for weight loss. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and keep pushing forward. If you enjoyed this workout, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more fitness routines and health tips. Let me know in the comments how you felt after the workout and what kind of content you'd like to see next. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Over time, I started to notice differences not just in how I looked, but in how I felt. I had more energy, more confidence, and a better relationship with my body. The belly fat that had once seemed so stubborn began to melt away. It didn't happen overnight, but it did happen, and it's proof that with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve your goals. Remember, your journey is unique to you. There will be ups and downs, but as long as you stay committed, you will see progress. Don't be discouraged by setbacks, use them as motivation to keep pushing forward. You've got this. Here are a few tips to help you maximize your results and stay on track. Stay consistent. The most important factor in losing belly fat is consistency. Make these exercises a regular part of your routine, and you'll start to see results. Aim to do this workout at least 3 to 4 times a week. Incorporate cardio. While these exercises are great for targeting belly fat, don't forget to include other forms of cardio in your routine, like walking, running, or cycling. Cardio helps to burn overall body fat, which will help you slim down faster. Watch your diet. Exercise alone isn't enough to lose belly fat. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet that's rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid sugary snacks and processed foods as much as possible. Hydrate. Drinking plenty of water is essential for weight loss and overall health. Staying hydrated helps to flush out toxins, keeps your metabolism running smoothly, and can even help reduce bloating. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can interfere with your weight loss goals by affecting your hormones and increasing cravings for unhealthy foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Let's tackle some common questions about losing belly fat. Q. How long will it take to see results? This depends on various factors, including your starting point, how often you exercise, and your diet. On average, you might start to see changes in your body after 4 to 6 weeks of consistent effort. However, everyone is different, so be patient and stay committed. Q. Can I lose belly fat without dieting? While exercise is important, diet plays a crucial role in fat loss. You can't out-exercise a poor diet. To lose belly fat effectively, it's important to eat a healthy, balanced diet in conjunction with your workout routine. Q. Is it possible to target fat loss in just the belly area? Unfortunately, spot reduction, losing fat in just one area, is a myth. When you lose weight, you lose it from all over your body. However, by focusing on core exercises, you can tone and strengthen your abdominal muscles.